Flash flood emergency for Baltimore. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, northeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, western Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Baltimore. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, public. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Henriton, West Friendship, Winfield, Damascus, Louisville, Liberty Town, Oakland, Gamber, Dayton, Gaither, Eldersburg, Poplar Springs, Roxbury Mills, Sickesville, Glenelg, Unionville, Lisbon Glenwood, Watersville, and Green Valley. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.